Hey YouTube, we are at Rausch Creek doing the monthly guided ride with Off-Road Consulting, and as you can see, we were about to do water crossing, specifically Pit Junior. Please like and subscribe.
So we are now at the Pit Junior, and that's a little pond in the middle of some field. It's a pretty easy pond to go through, and we're going to do a water crossing through the Pit Junior, and you're going to get to see us play in some water. So please like and subscribe, and yeah.
I'm driving up the hill. Tell them to move forward so we can get more people in.
You knew I'd mess with you without saying driver and passenger?
Yeah. Anybody want to go a second time? Go for it!
Hey YouTube, we are at the Pit Junior, and like we were saying, this side is the shallow side, that side is the deep side, and if you just go straight across, like, everything's good, if you're not sure, and then obviously you can figure it out from there. This is like where there's nothing, and then the field is like on this side or whatever. So if you approach it from the field side, I guess there's a lot of fields, but anyway, from the crucible side, I guess, then you'd want to go passenger to get shallower. And if you're like going toward Crucible, so you go around it and then you go toward Crucible, then you'd want to go driver to get shallower if you wanted to go shallower. But everybody was like kind of roughly around the rock rails, so even if you went deeper, I think it's like totally fine. So anyway, we will see you guys around. Please like and subscribe. So go to your left, right? Go to your left. Hey, can I turn this off and take a picture? That's fun. Huh? Oh, salsa, like the tequila.
Oh, okay. I think it's Sousa, like, you know, the brass.
No, I don't know anything about that. I know all about tequila.
You know, tequila.
Hey YouTube, so we stopped for lunch on the R trail, and you can see the way that we parked here. Wow, I can't even. This way? Okay, yeah. Sure. Hey YouTube, so we stopped for lunch on the R trail, and for trail etiquette, just so you can see, we parked off the side of the trail so people can get around us. And not only that, because I'm at the entrance of a blue-black, we left a little gap here so people can get in front of us. So just be mindful when you're out here. Just thought I'd say that. So anyway, the R trail itself is a connector trail. It's like a gravel road basically. There's no gravel, but it feels like a gravel road. No obstacles at all on the R trail. So far for the area that we've covered, which was from the pit to 38B. Had to look at the trail sign. But I have a feeling we're going to be on the R trail a little bit longer, and we will see you guys around. So please like and subscribe.
Right.